Hello student, how are you? This is Rahul sir voice and I hope you all will be there, you all will be good there and doing well at your home and stay home and following the guideline of the government which has given you to stay at your home, maintaining the distance, social distancing, family distancing also, and doing well at your home. So now let's study time. So it is an online class of article class, and in which we are going to discuss the some rules and regulations, and I hope you all will be aware about this chapter also. So let's enjoy this class. Okay, now come. Articles means a and the are called articles, and they are used with the nouns, and they are used to point out the things, peoples, animals, and the places. It is as clear its explanations. A and are the means we are going to use articles a and the with the singular noun, and it is a very important to use before it, and they are used to point out the things. It means we want to indicate the things, peoples, and the animals. For this we are going to use articles, and it is a very necessary to understand the things about this one. Now come to the example. Sita is a girl. Here a is a use with girls, and girls is a singular noun as we know, that's why we use here a, and girls sound consonant sound, that's why use here a. Now come to the second example. Ram is an intelligent boy. Here intelligent boy is a Ram, and intelligent starts with vowel sound, that's why use here an. So it is by which we are indicating the particular person, not a particular person. It is using the girls and about boy. Now come to the third example. This is the house. It means in third example we are talking about the any particular house or any particular places, that's why use here the. Let's see the more topics and more things here written here. Types of the articles. Articles, as we know very well, articles is a two types. First one is a indefinite articles. Here it is example indefinite articles. An indefinite article is called a, and an is called indefinite articles. Now come to the second definite articles, the. As we know it is a very clear, as we know it is a indefinite articles. It is a clear by its name. Indefinite are things which is not definite. It means जिसके बारे में हमें ना पता हो वो indefinite होता है, और definite as we know about the things, place and people where we use article the. Now come to explain the indefinite articles. Indefinite articles here written is example. A and an are indefinite articles because they do not point at any particular person or things. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि indefinite articles किसी particular person को, particular का मतलब ये होता है किसी खास चीज़ के बारे में a and नहीं बता रहा है, इसलिए we are going to use a and that very places where other things about which we don't know. Now come to the example. Give me an apple. An apple. Apple is first. देखो look here. Apple first क्या है? First इसका रूल ये होता है आर्टिकल यूज़ करने का कि आर्टिकल में a apple जो है, सो इट इज़ अ सिंगुलर. फर्स्ट इसका ये कंडीशन है कि ये सिंगुलर होना चाहिए, और सेकेंड इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन द साउंड. तो नाउ an apple, the apple is and singular, that's why use here an. Now come to here. The shopkeeper wants any apple. मतलब इसका ये निकल कर आया कि यहाँ जो बोल रहा है, जो एप्पल मांग रहा है, उसके मांगने का मतलब ये है कि उसको कोई भी एप्पल चाहिए. इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ इनडेफिनिट, नॉट डेफिनिट के बारे में वो बात नहीं कर रहा है. उससे कोई भी एप्पल मिल जाएगा, ही कैन इट. सो नाउ ओके है. नाउ once again I revise you all about articles. Now a and the are articles, and they are used with a nouns. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आर्टिकल्स a and और द का यूज़, तीन आर्टिकल्स होते हैं a and द. इन तीनों का यूज़ हम कहाँ करते हैं? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ विद द सिंगुलर नाउन और full singular noun or countable. It must be a countable. When we talk about the types of articles, there are the two types articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. A and called indefinite, and the is called definite articles. Now here indefinite articles I have already given you an example. Give me an apple. इसका मतलब ये क्लियर निकल के आ रहा है. इट इज़ स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी एप्पल. इट डजेंट मीन कि उसको कौन सा एप्पल चाहिए, बट ही टॉक्स अबाउट एन एनी एप्पल, एंड इट इज़ अ सिंगुलर हेयर. नाउ कम टू हेयर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. ए इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन. ए इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन. सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन डैट बिंग्स विद अ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड, यानी कि ए का यूज़ हम कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ करेंगे और इट मस्ट बी स्टार्ट विद द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. एन एग्जाम्पल, अ मैन, अ बॉय, अ यूनिवर्सिटी. हेयर वी सी द एग्जाम्पल, अ मैन. Man is a singular, that's why use here a. Baby is a singular, that's why use here a. And university is also singular, that's why use here a. And when we talk about here the consonant sound, what is the consonant sound? Now I explain you. Consonant sound means in हिंदी लेटर क से लेकर ज्ञा तक ऐसे जितने सारे वर्ड्स और लेटर स्टार्ट होते हैं इन साउंड से, उसको हम कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड कहते हैं. नाउ कम टू एन एग्जांपल, यूरोपियन. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट? European, and it comes from the this group, that's why European. And European is a singular noun and sound consonant, that's why use here a. Is it clear? Now come to the second example, union. How we are going to write it? Union. Okay, so it is a singular, that's why use here a. And it is a first condition is it must be singular, and second is it must consonant sound, that then we are going to use a. Now come university. Yes, university starts with you, and you sound here in Hindi letter from here, from this group, that's why use here you. And when we use here an is not the properly use, because an used before the vowel sound, but here it is used before consonant sound, that's why this sentence is this use of article is incorrect. Now it is because it is a consonant sound, so here the right example will be a university, जैसे यहाँ लिखा हुआ है a university. So an यहाँ नहीं होगा, so beware and make it sure कि when we are going to use a and it must be depend on only sound. Okay, now come to the an. An is used before the singular countable noun being with vowel sound. ये vowel sound से अगर start होता है then we are going to use an. Now an apple, an hour, and an MP. Now what is vowel sound? Vowel sound in हिंदी अ आ ई से अह तक का जो सेंटेंस होता है, जो वर्ड स्टार्ट होता है इन सारे लेटरों से, वो सारे वॉवेल साउंड में आते हैं. नाउ कम टू एप्पल. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इन हिंदी? ए कम्स फ्रॉम द वॉवेल साउंड, इट इज़ फ्रॉम द दिस ग्रुप, दैट्स वाई हियर इट इज़ एन. अगर यहाँ एप्पल्स होता तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ एनी आर्टिकल्स. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द आवर. How we are going to write hour? How MP is written like this. Now come to the second vowel sound and consonant sound has been cleared. Consonant sound, the sound starts with ka to gya, or in the vowel sound a e. So before using a and make it sure ki what is the sound of that very letter and what is the nature of that very object or that very subject in it is in the which form. It is in singular form or plural form. Now come, use of an to indicate the person or a things. Now look at this point, use of a and an to indicate one person or thing may be used for anything or a person. It means a और an is a used to a person or a things, may be किसी भी चीज़ों के लिए, any person or any things के लिए we can use a and an. Now example, a puppy came running towards me. A single puppy is a subject of the sentence. Now puppy is a subject of the sentence and I don't know about this puppy. तो कोई भी puppy जो था वो came running towards me, वो मेरी तरफ आ रहा था. तो we don't aware about this puppy, that's why use here a. And it a and an is depends on, as we know very well in the last explanation, ki it's depend on what? It's depend on the sound of this subject. Okay, that's why use a here. Now to the second point, to show the certain quantity, किसी भी certain quantity को explain करने के लिए we are going to use article a or an. There are a dozen oranges are in the plural form, but it is in the dozen, that's why a dozen. No, a is not used for that very oranges, a is used for the dozen. It means we are talking about the 1 dozen, that's why. To show the profession, rank, caste and community, religion of the person. Now with example, he is a general.